Hi guys, are you guys looking for a staycation in Bangkok? So then I'm going to take you to the Victory Bangkok Hotel. While checking in, the staff gave us some welcome drinks. The architecture in the lobby is exquisite. The dark wood and textured architecture is giving old money. Kind of like a James Bond vibe a little bit. Here I'm going to give you guys a room tour, and I got the suite this time. The suite has 2 bedrooms. One side is the queen bed and the other side is 2 twin beds with both their own separate balcony. There's 1 bathroom and a bathtub, which I'm super excited about. There's also a full-size kitchen with a mini fridge and some coffee for my morning coffee. The staff was so kind to give me a 240-watt plug because I'm a tech entrepreneur and I'm going to be working in the suite today. And here's the view of the city from the first balcony. And the cutest thing about my room is this retro phone, which I can make calls to the front desk for my Weibo calls in the morning. Before me and my boyfriend go out, we eat some croissants. So here's the times for the breakfast, fitness center, and swimming pool. And I'm going to take you guys to the swimming pool first. Once you exit the elevator, you gotta turn right, and then you go another half floor into the pool and the garden. Amenities and towels. The ducks are pointing to the pool, so we're gonna go that way. And voila, now we're at the pool. This pool is great because it's located at the rooftop where the morning sun hits it perfectly and you can tan or take really nice photos. The garden area is actually one of my favorites because they have a fountain and you get this breathtaking view of the city. And today the skies are clear, so we're getting this nice, fresh, and clear oxygen to breathe. And here's me and my boyfriend. He's comforting me because I had this really ugly phone call earlier. And here we can see King Power, Mahanakhon Tower, and some other nice buildings. We're a little tired today, but we're gonna have dinner in our hotel room today, and we ordered room service. Yum! Have tom kha gai, some cashew chicken, and some pak bung phai dang with some mangoes. It's such a pleasant meal to have with your boyfriend, especially if it's raining outside or we just don't want to go out after our flight. So we're eating indoors before going out tonight. The hotel staff was super kind to reheat our food because we actually ate 30 minutes after we got the food. So down the street they have Oasis Coffee, perfect for my morning meetings. And if you walk a little further, they have the Century Movie Plaza, which you can take the BTS to the BTS Victory Monument station. And they have a surplus of food stalls, which you can get whatever you want. So we're walking towards our next destination where they have Starbucks and 7-Eleven. It's so close by to the hotel. And it's right next to the BTS. How convenient. So here I'm going to take you guys to a little hole-in-the-wall pub called the Saxophone Pub. So this is Cuban night today, but they usually play jazz and some soft blues. Such a great place to go, especially since it's giving a European getaway of the city in Bangkok. I'm just showing you guys the cocktails, but they have great food here as well. And a celebratory cheers. Cheers, guys. And that's the end of our night, you guys. So we're walking back to the hotel. Here they have breakfast all the way until 10:30 a.m. It's so refreshing because they have a really nice eating area for breakfast. They have assortments of coffee, water, some orange juice, cranberry juice, some milk for your cereal, and some coffee pastries to eat with your coffee, and of course, some croissants. They also have egg stations, so you can do hard-boiled, soft-boiled, and some katom, which is rice soup, a fruit and salad bar. And here is the chef doing our omelets and our egg whites because my boyfriend only eats egg whites. And my favorite, they have a cereal bar. So they have Cocoa Pebbles and some cornflakes. Yum! Just a little meat going for the salad and some fruits in the morning. Healthy, healthy. And this is our breakfast. Some kagom, cereal, croissants, omelet, and some salad. So if you're looking for a place to staycation or to have a soft reset while in Bangkok, everything you need is here at the Victory Bangkok Hotel. See you soon! Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment your favorite part. Thank you!